Welcome back. Today, we are talking about raw power. And I'm not talking about your buddy Kyle who hit a PR on bench press last week. We humans like to think we run this planet, but honestly, we're pathetic. We're basically hairless wet noodles compared to the absolute units in the animal kingdom. Today, we're counting down the top 10 strongest animals that make bodybuilders look like toddlers. Kicking off at number 10, the grizzly bear. Look at this guy. He looks like a giant, forbidden teddy bear you just want to hug. Do not hug him. He will delete you from existence. A grizzly can lift over 1,000 pounds. That's like lifting a grand piano because it's in your way. They also run as fast as a horse. So yeah, you can't outrun them and you can't outlift them. Just accept your fate. Number 9 is the green anaconda. Pound for pound, the strongest squeezer on earth. They don't use venom because that's for weak snakes. They prefer the personal touch. An anaconda wraps around you with crushing force equal to having a school bus parked on your chest. It's the ultimate overly attached girlfriend of the jungle. It just wants to hug you forever. Number 8, we have to respect the little guys. The leafcutter ant. If we're talking relative strength, this dude is terrifying. They can carry objects 50 times their body weight with their teeth. That is the equivalent of you carrying a fully loaded Ford F-150 up a flight of stairs using only your jaw muscles. And they do this all day. No PRE workout, no protein shakes, just pure anxiety and hustle. Number 7, the silverback gorilla. Look at the traps on this guy. He clearly skips leg day, but his upper body is ridiculous. A silverback can deadlift nearly 2,000 pounds. They are estimated to be about 10 to 15 times stronger than the average human dude. And the most annoying part, they don't even work out. They just eat leaves and sit around looking jacked. It's just disrespectful to those of us paying for gym memberships. Number 6 is a literal dinosaur that refused to go extinct because it was too angry. The saltwater crocodile. Their strength is in the jaw. Bite. They bite down with 3,700 pounds per square inch of force. That's enough force to snap a steel bar or turn a watermelon into red mist instantly. Basically, if a croc grabs you, you are no longer a person. You are now crocodile takeout. Making the list at number 5 is the harpy eagle. Why are birds this scary? This thing looks like a person in a bad bird costume, but it's an apex predator. Its talons are literally bigger than a grizzly bear's claws. It possesses enough grip strength to crush a monkey's skull instantly. It snatches sloths right out of trees. It's basically a flying horror movie villain. Number 4, the obvious heavy hitter, the African elephant. The largest land animal, period. Their trunk alone, just their nose, has over 40,000 muscles. Your entire body only has like 600. An elephant can flip a rhino if it gets annoyed. It's a biological forklift that never forgets that you owe it money. Absolute units. Top 3. We're back to relative strength. The dung beetle is technically the strongest animal on the planet compared to its size. It can pull over 1,100 times its own body weight. That is the human equivalent of pulling 6 double-decker buses packed with people. And what does it use this god-tier strength for? Rolling balls of poop. What a life. Truly inspiring. Number 2, the blue whale, the strongest animal to ever exist, simply because it's the biggest thing to ever exist. Its heart is the size of a small car. Its tongue weighs as much as an elephant. It produces enough power to pull, well, whatever it wants. But despite being able to swallow a Volkswagen, it just chills and eats tiny krill, a gentle giant. We love a humble king. And at number 1, it's not the biggest, it doesn't lift weights, but it is the toughest creature in the universe, the tardigrade, or water bear. These microscopic gummy bears are basically immortal. You can boil them, freeze them, crush them, or shoot them into the vacuum of space, which scientists actually did, and they just survive. They are stronger than death itself. Which animal did I miss? Let me know in the comments below. If this video made you feel weak, hit that like button to instantly gain 10 pounds of muscle. I'll see you in the next one.